Welcome to Applaud Tutorials.
In this tutorial, we'll take you through the process of installing and personalizing templates on your Applaud tenant. We'll show you how to utilize the roles, personas and highlights templates to deliver engaging, relevant content to your users based on criteria. Applaud has over 30 best practice templates which are fully customizable and allow you to deploy content faster. We will cover installing and personalizing the roles template, installing the personas template, creating memorable personas, installing the highlights template, adding countries for enhanced personalization, creating content categories, creating highlights, and color coding your thumbnails. To get started, head to the templates section from the admin homepage. You can get back to the admin homepage at any time with your platform URL followed by /dashboard. Here you will find a variety of options including learning, pay, profile, alerts, and countries. Find the option you need and select it. The template window will appear. Here you will see a brief description for the template, followed by its features, usage, and content. In this example, we're installing the roles template first. It's important to note that many other templates bundle the HR shared services, employee and manager roles together. These roles are fully customizable and can be personalized by going back to the admin homepage and selecting the roles section. You will see the 3 roles from the template. To make any changes, select the role and enter a new name and description. Then select Update. Head back to the Templates section then scroll down to the Personas template and select it. This template contains a model and pages that allow for the creation of personas on your platform, defining their story, goals, needs, motivators, attributes, personality traits, and wins and pain points. When ready, select the Install button shown. When the installation process is complete, you will see that the template window now has clickable links to pages within the template. When ready, head back to the admin homepage and select the Pages icon. Find the Right Personas page from the template and select it. Here you can create personas. Your goal should be to create a believable character that everybody in the organisation can relate to. Avoid adding details that do not have implications for design, such as Ben has 3 dogs. In this example, we're adding personas for a technical manager and all-round guru, somebody who is new to the world of work, a long-term technical expert, and a new experienced people manager. Complete the fields with the corresponding information. Upload an avatar to help build the idea of a believable character. and use the slider functionality to describe the persona's personality traits. When you have completed all the persona fields, select the Publish button at the top of the page. Repeat the process for the number of personas you're looking to add. Any personas that you create can be found on the Personas page. Here is an overview of the ones we have created. There's Asher, Ben, Nick, and Sarah. When you are happy with your choices, you can then explore how these personas can be used to target your content. Head back to the Templates page and select the Highlights option. Then select the Install button. Highlights allow you to showcase content such as news, announcements, blogs and events. You're able to add text, images, videos and links, and tailor your content based on persona. You can also decide where and when your highlights will appear. When the installation process is complete, head back to the admin homepage and select the Pages icon. Here you can see the pages that you've just installed from the Highlights template, including country and content category. Select the country page and enter the information for the countries you operate in. This will allow you to personalize content based on geography. Your countries can also be brought over from a spreadsheet by using the Import tab in your countries model. In this example, we're adding the United Kingdom, United States, and India. You can find your countries by going back to the Pages section and selecting the Countries page. Head back to the Pages section and select the Content Category page. Here you can personalize the space to fit your needs. We are editing the name of the page to Create Content Category and adding a category called Welcome to Violet Dove. Enter a brief description for your category. This should be no longer than 1 or 2 short sentences. In this example, we have chosen Topics for Violet Dove Newbies. You can then upload an image to represent the category. This should be 600 by 180 pixels. When you're happy with your choices, select Save. We're also creating another category called Virtual Training, with the description Information regarding upcoming training sessions. Now it's time to write some highlights for this category. To do this, head back to the Pages section and select the Highlight page. We're going to rename this page Create Highlight. Enter a meaningful title in the title field. We have chosen Management Training Sessions, with the subtitle Information on Upcoming Management Training Sessions. In the Categories field, select the category which best represents your content. In this example, we're using Virtual Training. You can now upload an image to reinforce your message. This should be 600 by 300 pixels. If you choose to use alternative dimensions, these should be consistent across your highlights. Then use the content body box for your highlight content. In this example, we're providing users with information on upcoming management training sessions. Under Display, set the time parameters you wish to set for the highlight. Content retires automatically after the end date, and the owner is notified 3 days before this date, with the option to refresh the content and extend its life. Then select the status of your highlight. Only published content is shown to the end user. Under Audience Personalization, we can set the criteria which enables only certain users to see the content. In this example, country is not a determining factor, so we can select all of our options here. In Personas, we're selecting Asher, the Technical Manager, Nick, the Technical Expert, and Sarah, the New People Manager, as these personas are best suited for the management training sessions available. In this example, Ben would not be the right fit for this content, as he is new to the world of work, with only a 3-month tenure in his position. When you're happy with your selection, select the Save button. We can then create another highlight, this time for Welcome to Violet Dove content. We're giving this the title Understanding Strategy Speak. This highlight could be aimed at team members who are new to the company or in their first year with the company. Again, we are not limiting the access of this highlight based on geography, but we are selecting the personas who are new to Violet Dove, who may be unfamiliar with the terminology used within the company or industry, and may initially be too anxious to ask for clarification. In this example, that would be Ben and Sarah. Then select Save when you're happy with your choices. Continue to add as many content categories and highlights as you need. You should aim to provide only relevant content for your users, using the personalization functions to your advantage, as shown. In this example, we have color-coded our thumbnails. Violet is used for content categories, blue is used for personalized content, and green is used for company-wide highlights.
Congratulations, you have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more by checking out Applaud Academy and our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.